211,553 Saudi riyals. Can you make 211,000 Saudi riyals in literally 45 days? You know, I often hear people saying that dropshipping is dead, it does not work out anymore, and you cannot make money from dropshipping in 2024/2025. While that could be true in some countries and some of the saturated regions, I could tell you and guarantee that this is nowhere close in the GCC. Now, you might be thinking, what is the GCC? Is that a secret code? Is that a secret region? I could say with the guarantee that GCC is nowhere close to saturated. And by that, I'm just gonna quickly refresh for you guys to see. Here's a quick refresh check. 211,553 Saudi riyals. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. First thing first that I want to mention, the money that I just showed to you guys, it's not for flexing or anything like that. It's actually the house payment that I have to get done with this month. But second of all, I often hear people that dropshipping is dead and you cannot make money from it in 2025. While that could be true in some regions that are oversaturated and you cannot get in the competition anymore, can you make 211,000 Saudi riyals in literally 45 days? So if you're interested, make sure you watch until the end and let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is jump into the Shopify store. As you guys can see, in gross sale 211,000 Saudi riyals with a quick refresh check. And you guys can see the date that we properly started on November 12th. So November 12th until December 12th. You know, it's not even 37 days until now, and we have already made 211,000 Saudi riyals. And yeah, as you guys can see, the store sessions and everything is 100% real, and you can see that we are using a few different apps in order to get these sales. One of the apps is called Easy Sell COD form, basically cash on delivery form, and the way that we do our checkout is by making it as easy as possible for the customer to actually purchase the product. And that Easy Sell COD form is one of the best ways to do so. It does not get you through 3 or 4 pages of checkout, but instead one form, and that one form, when it's filled out, your order is already processed. And the next thing that you guys can see is actually total orders, which is 1,442 orders. And you guys might already get an idea, but these products are actually low ticket products. And right below here, you guys can see top selling products. And you guys want to know the top selling products, of course. You guys want to know what is the product that I currently sell. Well, the best part is that I actually sell over 5 different products inside this store alone to make me 211,000 dirhams or Saudi riyals. And all I want you guys to do is literally fill out the form below where you put your email, and in that email list, I'm going to be sending out these winning products within the next 30 days. And don't worry guys, these products are not going to die or anything like that. These products are for a long time. So if you want to get access to these winning products, all I want you to do is literally fill out the form below where you put your email, and inshallah within the next 30 days, I'm just going to keep sending out the product. Most probably a winning product a day. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to the email list down below, inshallah. Well, the second thing you guys want to find out apart from the product is how do I do it the halal way? The way that I do it through halal is by actually having the stocks with me. The good part is my fulfillment company already has the stock, and if the product does not have stock, I order it by myself from China to my fulfillment company. And my fulfillment company takes care of it. And if you guys want to know my fulfillment company, I am getting a contract ready with them very soon for all of my subscribers. So make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna upload a video about my fulfillment company very soon. So the way that it works in the halal way is by basically using cash on delivery, having the stock. So I have the stock, we take the stock from the warehouse, deliver it to the customer pays us cash, and that's exactly how we do it in the transactional halal way. Now you guys can be more in-depth by going to a scholar or a sheikh and asking them in-depth question to make sure that you're 100% in the safe hands and not just relying on a YouTuber like me. The third good news is that this store is fully automated. I do not touch the store. I have never done an advertisement for this store, and everything is done for you. The amazing part is the client that we have for this store has never even touched any part of the store, from creation, from product research to even advertising. None of that stuff has been touched by our client, and alhamdulillah, I can tell you guys that this is one of the best ways that you could do dropshipping, by having others do it for you, by having the people who has the knowledge and who has the experience expertise to actually get you these results. And alhamdulillah, I can tell you guys that this is one of our clients' store. Our client made 211,000 Saudi riyals literally by autopiloting the whole process with us. Now what we take care of is literally building the Shopify store, adding the winning product, marketing the product, and as well as fulfillment and delivery. And if you're interested to learn more about that, all you have to do is literally check out the website down below. And inshallah, you will get a complete idea of how we do a 7-figure store for you completely on autopilot. And the best part, we actually give you a guarantee. And if we don't achieve the guarantee, we actually give you a complete refund and a bonus on top. We're only doing this because we know we are experts at this, and alhamdulillah, we have done it for a very long time. And this long time has given us so much experience that we know exactly what kind of results we're able to achieve for you. So yeah, if you're interested to learn more, just check out my Instagram, make sure you drop subscribe. And for you to learn more about the winning products and all of the extra stuff about this, make sure you subscribe to the email list down below. You're gonna get all of the information through the email, inshallah, slowly one by one. Make sure you do not miss out. It's completely for free. And yeah, you're not gonna lose anything. So I might even do giveaways on the email list and a lot of more fun stuff. Make sure you're subscribed, and inshallah I'll see you guys on the next video soon. Assalamu alaikum.